In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put a reminder on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to open up the Reminders app. If you can't find that icon over your home screens, you can just swipe down and search for Reminders. In this way, we can easily find Reminders application, and once we have opened that, all you have to do in order to put a reminder is just tap right here where it says New Reminder. Once you've done that, we can give a title for that reminder, like buy milk, for example. Then also we can configure some details for that reminder. To do that, we need to tap Add Details. Then we can set date, like Friday. Also, we can set time for that reminder. Let it be 15 o'clock. If we tap Add Repeat, we can choose if we would like to repeat that reminder by hourly, daily, weekdays, and all these other options. Also, you can tap Add Custom. After that, to save the changes, I will tap Add, and then we can easily find the reminder we have created if we tap Add All, just like that. That's where we can find that reminder. If we tap on it and then tap Add I icon, we'll be able to edit it. Let's say I want to put that reminder on a different list. So I can just tap Add Lists, and then I can change it in this way. Then tap it Done. Now I can find that reminders in that list. If I tap on it, here I can find it. That's how you can easily put the reminder on your iPhone.